the kids bang on it consistently, they'll yell out. Very special place for me. What makes this place more special? These two granite rocks here that you're seeing, it's giving you a hint already. So this is how us Kuku Yalanji people induct our wedding ceremony here. So this is used for camping and eating. So 2 years ago, I was blessed of a baby boy. So I'm a father of one. So this is a funny story. So when I take people Nali Brimba, my family, Wakaputu. Nali Brimba, Wanjabinonge, Maja Jalam. Meaning that me and my family, we hunt in the rainforest, all the waterfall, fruits and berries, and majority of our hunting is in the ocean. So basically, we teach young kids about astronomy at night, science and biology amongst the nature, geography out in the open, and marine biology here by the ocean. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
When we come to the grandfathers, it takes at least 4 or 5 hours or so for every grandfather to be all painted up. When it comes to the kids, we say mission impossible. Very hard. So it's not really the kids that is your main concern, it's washing. You do it with a passion, not with aggression.
Do it with passion, not aggression.
And you start slowly singing the soul. So it's antiseptic, it's good for mosquito bites, deep cut wounds, heat rash, sunburn. Unfortunately for me, I am traumatized by this because my grandmother used to wash it down with the stuff very, very aggressively. So this painting here that I just did a moment ago will instantly wash it. I don't want my son to go through what I went through, so if I hear my grandmother visiting my son, I will grab my son. And me and my son, we will evacuate that location.